Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a new Dollarama or dollar store unboxing. I'm not quite sure. This was a gift from my cousin Joni. She bought me so many things and I'm only now getting into doing the videos for them. As you can see, this is a paint by number on a canvas board. You can see that? And this is really nice. I don't know what she paid because it was a gift. I have seen these at my Dollarama. I don't know if they also have them at the dollar store, at the Dollar Tree. Because usually the Dollarama has Dollarama at this. I mean, this could have been Walmart too. I don't know where she got it, to tell you the truth. I think Crafter's Square is from either Dollarama or Dollar Store, but I'm not sure. But anyway, you can see what it could look like finished in these colors. And I will use acrylic paint to do this. And I have lots of acrylic paint. So I thought this was really nice of her. And I like that they're not super tiny little lines to fill in. Paint by number is hard. I find painting on my own much easier than paint by number. Because on my own I can paint where I want. But paint by number you have to go within the lines. So it's harder. I mean, I have to see in the lines when I draw the picture too, but because I know what my eyesight's like and my hand's like, I try to draw things that I could do. So the other paint by number that I have isn't as nice as this. The other one I have, it's beautiful, but like all the spots are like that little tiny spot right there in the leaf, like just like a speck. It's so hard when they're that small, like for my eyesight and my shakiness. This is something I think I can do. Like there are some small spots, but I think I could do it. I think my cousin is just really, really sweet. She's such a nice woman. Her name is Joni, and I really appreciate this. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. Thank you for spending time with me. Take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.